Hey guys, it's Jessica Renee and welcome back to my channel. You guys, it's kind of early. Well, it's not early, but it's early. It's early for me, so my voice sounds disgusting, but it's honestly like 12. Which isn't early, but it's early for me because I don't like talking to people until like 1 o'clock, okay? Okay. Baby boy. Anyways, I know I haven't been posting a lot lately, but guess what? That's about to change. Today, it's gonna change. It's gonna change. Because, I just had to get settled into school. So now that I'm settled, I'm about to be busting out these videos like, whoop, 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 whoop. Let's just get into the video. I just need to let y'all know that more videos will be coming. Okay. So, I decided to film a review. I've never used these products before, so I wanted to tell you guys how they work for me and whether or not I think it's a good purchase or not. So these are the two curls products that I'm going to be using. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is the Curls Brulee Whipped Curl Cream. Okay, curl defining and moisturizing cream formulated with certified organic sweet almond milk, shea butter, and aloe leaf juice. Proven to fight frizz, restore lost sheen, and encourage hair growth. Okay, who doesn't love hair growth? Growth. Okay. And then this is the Curls Goddess. This is the Goddess Curls Botanical Gel, frizz fighting botanical holding gel that is formulated with certified organic mango and shea butter and plumera. I don't know what that is. Flower extract. Proven to revitalize damaged hair and adds moisture. So, I always say, if products, well, I always think for me, if products don't work when I just do a regular twist out, then they probably not gonna work on my hair, doing any other style. So, twist out is a go-to style every time I try new products. So, just to let y'all know. So these are the two Curls products I'm gonna be using today, and I just got out the shower and this is freshly washed hair. Okay, so I parted my hair. I was crazy, but anyways, so first I'm gonna apply the whipped curl cream and then I'm gonna apply the gel. Always comb out my hair first. Smell this. Oh, you know what this smells like? Okay, this smells like candy. I'm kind of bad at describing smells. This smells like, it smells like candy. It smells like, but it smells like that specific candy that I can't. Y'all, I don't know. It smells like candy. If you ever tried this and you smell this, comment down below what you think this smells like, because I can't. So I'm gonna put this to much on this whole section. Ooh, it really glides through actually. Okay. It smells really good. Like I wanna lick it. That's how good it smells. It has a good slip to it. Now I'm about to put on the gel. Does the gel not have a smell? The gel doesn't really have a smell to me. I don't know. And I usually don't use gel when I do on my hair, on any styles, like twist outs, flat twist outs, braid outs. I don't use gel, so this is the first time for me. I'm hoping that the gel will prevent frizz, because I go to school in the South and my hair does not last. Like I will do my hair and I can wear it out for about 2 days. Good week if I can wear it out for 3 or 4 days. But usually I just end up, by the end of the week, my hair is either in a ponytail or in a bun, in a hat, because the frizz gets to my hair so freaking fast. So hopefully this gel will prevent that and last. Now I'm just gonna twist it. Well, I'm gonna split this into 2 and twist. So this is how my hair looks after I finished twisting it all up, and now I'm going to wait for it to dry, and I'll come back for the takedown and tell you guys how these products actually worked and if they really did what they said they would do, which is reduce frizz and reduce frizz and restores oil sheen. So I'll see how my hair looks and I'll tell you guys my honest opinion. So see y'all in a bit. Hi guys, so I took out my twist and oh my gosh, I love it. Look at this. Look at this. It's so defined. But it's the morning and I'm about to go to class. So I'm gonna come back and tell you guys whether or not it controlled my frizz throughout the day, because I'm in the South, okay? And the humidity out here is crazy, okay? We trying to flourish, but humidity said no. But I'm gonna see if, you know, it controls my frizz. So I will be back in a couple hours. Bye. Hi guys, so it's the end of the day, and it controlled my frizz pretty well. I got a tad bit frizzy, but not that frizzy, so I really like these products. I think you guys should get them. But yeah, they controlled my frizz very well, so I think these products work well on my hair. I think they work well on your guys' hair, so I definitely think that you should cop these. They're really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.